Hello everyone. I'm Lily. Welcome to subscribe to my channel. This channel shares quality technology sharing. The recommendation area on the top right of the video, where the letter I flashes, and the video description area. There are more quality technology videos. You can click to view. This video share. Adobe Max is Adobe's annual new product launch. In October 2021, Adobe released an update to Adobe version 2022. Many users are not yet familiar with version 2021. Adobe Family Bucket 2022 was released in a blaze of glory. This update brings some Black technology features. Adobe Premiere has introduced automatic color grading, one-click smart color correction for blockbuster effects. Also at the conference, Adobe demonstrated concept features. For example, using a handheld photo, the system will automatically generate the model material. Modeling no longer has to be learned the hard way. By face recognition technology, one-click replacement of your face into the cartoon makes you the main character. So you still need to learn how to draw comics? The release of the new version was supposed to be a time for everyone to cheer. But recently, foreign users are more disturbed. Because Premiere 2022 brings many features at the same time. It also removes some features that are important to users. For users who make multilingual movies and TV shows, newer versions of Premiere cannot display the content of multiple subtitle tracks at the same time. But there's no need to be too anxious. Xiaoli offers a solution. Follow my video to see it. The video folder on the desktop has 3 clips, 1 MP4 video and 2 corresponding subtitle files. CN is Chinese subtitle. UN is English subtitle. Now open Adobe Premiere 2022. The window title bar shows that the currently used version is 2022. Let's look at the minor version again. Minor version number is 22.1.2. Is the current latest version. Create a new sequence. Settings remain default. Overwrite existing project files. The project panel or the media browse panel allows importing material. If you are not familiar with the operation, you can watch Xiaoli's previous videos. Import 3 clips through the project panel. Drag the video file into the timeline panel to create a new sequence. Drag the cn.srt subtitle file into the timeline panel. Just leave the dialog box as default. Play video and view subtitles.
到系统的剪贴部，按 Ctrl 加 V 就可以随意贴。
Audio and subtitles can correspond to each other. Premiere 2022 importing subtitles has many differences from previous versions. The biggest difference is that the subtitles imported in the new version are separated by time points. The previous version was combined by default. You can say that each has its own advantages and disadvantages. Importing the n.srt subtitle file. Dialog box remains default. Clearly visible in the monitor. The current display is in English subtitles, and the Chinese subtitle is currently invisible. Click on the little eye icon in the panel. Now the Chinese subtitles are visible, but the English subtitles are now hidden again. Click on the little eye icon in the front panel of the English track. The visibility of the English and Chinese subtitles is switched again. This means that only one subtitle track is allowed to be visible when editing the sequence. A foreigner had the same problem. He posted a help thread in the official Adobe forum. He creates a bilingual video with French and Italian. But it's not possible to show both subtitle tracks at the same time. I soon got a reply from the official Adobe staff. According to him, this is actually a design that makes. Premiere 2022 was designed to allow only one layer of subtitles to be displayed at a time. What about if you create multilingual videos? And then we go back to Lori's video. Click on the file menu and select Anew. Select Transparent Video. Set the resolution and frame rate of the transparent video. Drag the transparency video to the timeline. Adjust the length of the timeline of the transparent video. It doesn't matter what the length is. Just make sure you can cover the length of the subtitle track. Select the Subtitles and Graphics panel. Click on the text section in the upper left corner. Press Ctrl+A. Select all text. Or you can use the mouse in the timeline to select the visible subtitle track. Set the color of the subtitles. Adjusting the position of the subtitles. Set the size of the subtitle. Be sure to finish setting the subtitle format before performing the next step. This is very important. After the subtitle format is ready, press and hold the Shift key on the keyboard. Click on the new transparent video you just created. At this point, both the displayed subtitles and the transparent video are selected. Right-click anywhere on the transparent video. Select the nested menu. Just merge the subtitles and the transparent video into one sequence. Click OK. Just merged with English subtitles. Now click on the little eye in the Chinese subtitle track panel. Chinese subtitle becomes visible. Frame Chinese subtitle track. Set the color and font size of the Chinese subtitles. Now you can clearly see. Chinese subtitles are on top of the English subtitles. Adjust the position of the Chinese subtitles. So a bilingual video is created. One thing that needs a lot of attention is bilingual video production using this scheme. If you need to export subtitle files, only export subtitles for the current subtitle track, because English subtitles are not subtitles anymore. English subtitles and transparent video are already a sequence. So you can't export the English subtitles to an SRT file. In the process of making the video, an error is indicated at the bottom right of the screen. This error is caused by a lack of spell checking. Disable the spell check function directly, and you won't get the error message. Finally, let's enjoy the effect of the bilingual video.
Box 系统的截图工具，截图后会跳出下面这个蓝色框框。每台计算机的储存设定可能稍稍不一样。
If you like this video, please click the like button. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on little bells. You will receive notifications when new videos are uploaded. Next video. See you soon.